Oh, wait. I'm telling you, if Santa sneaks in your chimney tonight, that's not the only place he's sneaking in, though. Let me tell you that. You keep giving these Santa, what? You keep giving Santa these bomb-ass, boring-ass chocolate chip cookies. That shit is old, bro. Come up with the new wave. I got these, I don't even know what to call it. Apple, cinnamon, oatmeal cookies. You see it. Get like me. I bet y'all is like,
ew, oatmeal cookies? What's wrong with him?
But it doesn't even matter. Your taste buds can't even handle oatmeal in the first place. So I don't even know why you're watching this video. Now, if you are watching this video, right? Like, subscribe, notifications up. Get me up there, please.
Posted with my brother, yeah, he got a mom plan.
Before we even form our cookies, right? Before I even tell y'all what y'all need, just make sure your butter is brown. What I mean by this, lightly cook it on the stove. I can't explain this further. This is gonna get us on our I can't speak, on Santa Claus's good list. You don't want to be like Riley and Boondocks.
Santa, you are a big.
You want to be on Santa Claus good list. You don't want Santa Claus to not give you shit. 8 tablespoons of butter, brown it on light heat on the stove top. Please watch over this. It gets brown very quickly. Just keep on stirring, make sure nothing burns on the bottom. When the colors turns light brown, stop the flame, take it off, put it in the bowl. That's it. In that bowl, add a half a cup of regular sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. That's kind of racist. Add a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. Mix that in with the butter. Make sure the butter is cool, by the way, before you add the sugar. But mix the sugars in, whisk until everything is incorporated. Then we're gonna add our cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of salt, like a pinch of salt, and then a half teaspoon of baking soda. Crack 1 egg. Mix it all together. Now, we're gonna sift in flour. We have 1 1/3 cups of flour. Grab a sifter, pour it in, sift it, nice, no lumps. Please, thank you. This right there, that cookie dough we just made, is your basic cookie dough recipe. Make this, and that's regular old-fashioned cookie dough. Add chocolate chip cookies, right? This cookie is for, what? This cookie dough recipe makes soft, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside type cookies. Only thing we gotta do now, grab our oats, 1.5 cups of oats, apples, green apples. I small diced about 2 apples. On some of them, I kept the skin on it. Please, keep the skin of your green apples. Wash them, right? This is for the garnish. When you do your little planks, and then you do your little slices, and then you do little dices, keep the skin pieces, right? But don't toss them with the mixture. Just put them aside. Add in the fleshy diced apple part in the mixture. Leave the skin sides out. Mix everything together in a baking sheet, baking pan. Grab parchment paper, cookie paper, whatever you want to call it. Scoop your cookie 2 inches apart from each other, right? This should be enough space so it won't touch while it bakes. Once we divide the cookies, grab your green skin pieces, start decorating the top. You know what I'm saying? Put the green side up, the skin side up, and just, you know what I'm saying? Just push a little down on each cookie so you can see that apples inside of it. In a 350-degree oven, put these cookies inside for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it gets a crisp outside and a soft inside. The only thing you gotta do, take out your cookies from the oven and dress your little bad boys. Dress them.
I'm the X, I'm the coach.
Your aunties, your uncles, your moms, your grandmas, I don't even know, bro, but this shit right here, they taking that recipe from you. They taking this recipe from me. but from you because you watched the video and you actually made the food. So it's from you. Feel me? I know. Feel me? Subscribe. Let's try this out real quick. Crunchy, juicy from the apples. Come on, one more.